You okay? Yeah. Do you guys do trades? Do you not see the sign that's directly in front of you? Sign? Yeah, that sign. You stared at it for a pretty good amount of time. Can you not read it? Oh, yeah, man. I can read. Totally, I can read. I'm just like super busy. Whoa. Oh, bro, no. Hold on 1 second. Oh, okay. Bruh, Kylie Jenner, so fire, no cap. Send tweet. Yeah. So wait. So you have enough time to tweet, bruh, Kylie Jenner so fire, no cap, but you don't have enough time to read 2 words. Well, that's like super important. All right, that's it. You can have the store. The store belongs to you now. Really? This is your store. I'm gonna run full speed into oncoming traffic on the freeway because I can't do this anymore. So have fun, guy. Yeah, I'm an entrepreneur now. What's up? Bro, how much for these? Oh, StockX payout? Copped! Bruh, copped! Hey! The heck was that? Hey, welcome to the channel. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. And below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. That's where you can find all the shoes that we're pulling out of this box on sale today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hey, pals! Today we're opening a beater box from Sole Supremacy, which is a shop in the Bay Area of California that has a beater box membership program. They will be opening memberships in the new year, so definitely follow them on Twitter, turn on post notifications to find out how you can get a membership so you can buy these boxes, because I think it's a great time. This box was $800 plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $840. They priced these boxes under market, so there's a pretty good chance we can make some money on them, so go ahead, follow along with the counter. Its name is Clarence because I name things. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, ease of movement, and then previous sales or current for sale prices of the same or similar models. So let's open up this box and see what's going on in here. There's an SB box. That's cool. Oh. There are 2 loose pairs. Let's grab them out. This first loose pair is what looks like to be a size 12 or 13. I can't really tell. It's a size 11 and a half. This is an Air More Up Tempo in the Olympic colorway. You can see Scottie Pippen's number 8 Olympic number on the back there. A little bit of discoloration underneath the Air, but I mean, these are in pretty decent shape. There's a little sock lint we'll have to take care of, but you can see the Nike Air and the size sticker are still in there. So okay size, pretty decent shoe. It's just a big clunky heavy basketball shoe. So there you go. There's your first shoe out. Size 11 and a half. Air More Up Tempo in the Olympic colorway. This is the 2016 release, right? No, these are the 2012s. Okay, perfect. Cool. We got another loose shoe in here. It's pretty good. It's actually probably one of my favorite Air Jordan 4 colorways. It's a 2013 release, I want to say. This is a size 12. Air Jordan 4 Retro in the green glow colorway. It's like a really subtle, cool gray looking colorway with some just very, I mean, it's pleasing. The green tint that they use for these is just very pleasing. I really like this colorway, I'm not gonna lie. Now, the shoe itself, a little bit of star loss, not really much heel drag. I mean, these are in great condition. Size 12, green glow 4s. I don't know what the value is on these. You can check by looking on your screen, I guess. Right on top, we got a Nike SB box. This is a Nike Dunk, SB Dunk Low Pro. Oh, it says what colorway it is. All right, this isn't actually too bad. I'm not a fan personally. It's a dead stock pair of a size 8.5. This is the washed coral or black coral, whatever you call it, colorway of a Nike Dunk Low Pro. It's got suede on the mud guard and the ankle, suede swoosh. The vamp is leather and the side paneling is leather. Got a fat tongue. I mean, it's not really a colorway I'm a huge fan of. The quality seems a lot nicer than I expected, but these are definitely similar to the crimson tint Air Jordan 1s, but in terms of colorway, because it's like that peach looking thing. But these are dead stock and it's a size 8.5, so can't really complain about that. I have no idea what the value is on these. I have a feeling they're still available at retail places. I could be wrong though. So there you go, size 8.5 Dunk Low Pro in the washed coral black colorway. I'm getting this out of the way now. So I did sigh when the box opened. Yes, I know I'm a brat for saying this, but I can't stand getting these. These adapts are the most annoying shoe to sell because they're so niche-y. Like, you can't get these wet. This is the Nike Adapt BB in a size 13. So these released this year. It was the first time they did a self-lacing or auto-lacing basketball shoe. If they're dead stock, that'll be a lot easier, but I would be very surprised. Okay, this is at least the original colorway. Are they dead stock or worn? These look like they've been worn. It's a size 13 Adapt BB in the original black colorway. Very little wear on the bottoms. So the retail on these was $350. I can't imagine the resale value is anywhere near that. Looks like the lights are lighting up, so that's good. It means they kind of work still. So size 13 Adapt BB in this black kind of colorway. So we've got a Jordan 11 Retro in a size 9. Concords would be nice. Oh yeah, platinum tint. These are the platinum tint Air Jordan 11s. Just like a kind of creamish kind of colorway. Got the original inserts, which is very cool. These are really lightly worn, just a little bit of outsole wear and some dirt, so they'll just get cleaned up and they'll be good to go. So there you go, size 9. Platinum tint Jordan 11s. Those are severely under retail now. I'm almost positive of that. Got two more in here. They're both Nike red boxes. So this is a Air Max Tailwind 4. Yep, there you go. It's a Tailwind. It's like this kind of crimson looking color. What is the colorway called? Ghost Aqua Red Orbit Wolf Gray. Wow, that's a really extravagant name for such a goofy looking shoe. I mean, they're worn, but super, super lightly. They come with original all. They don't look like they were worn much, so. I mean, it's just a trainer. Tailwinds are like dad shoes. That's just all there is to it. I mean, they're in great shape, and it's a size 8.5, so not too bad. There you go. This box isn't great. Last up, we got a size 10.5 Nike Air Max 98. I'm not a huge fan of the 98 either. But these are good. No, these are worn, but this is probably, aside from the cone colorway, this is probably one of the most sought after Air Max 98s. This is the Gundam colorway. This is actually really nice. It's got this blue, it's got black, it's got red. It's just a very nice looking 98. These are in great shape. Just a little bit of wear on the bottoms. They just need cleaned up. Come with the original box. This is not bad at all, so there you go. Air Max 98 in the Gundam colorway. Cool, that's actually a pretty good way to end because I know those are going for probably at least $250. So there is an $800 Sole Supremacy beater box. I think it's kinda okay, but it's not great. Let's take a look at the numbers. Big down! If those Adapt BBs sell within the next month, I will be flat out shocked. It's an okay box. Kind of happens. If you are interested in any of these shoes, they will be on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, ransomnotesneakers.com. You can find the link there in the video description down below. Thanks again for taking the time to watch. I appreciate it. I will see you soon with some other weird content. Until then, take care of each other and remember, shoes are supposed to be fun, so make it fun. Toodles!